In this video, we are going to fix 0x87d00705 Windows Update failed error. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first step that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So at the settings, we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So wait until everything would be showing up here at the settings before we continue. And once everything has been set here, please navigate to the left pane. Please locate for system, click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and locate for the troubleshoot. Next is to locate for other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, you can see their Windows Update, run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So this will take 2 to 3 minutes. Wait until it will be finished. This will diagnose the problem. Once you have done it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then I want you to proceed to the next solution. But before that, please copy this one at the YouTube description. Okay, please copy the commands there. And once you have copied it, you need to navigate here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you be able to see a best match, which is the command prompt system. Where here you need to navigate to the right side and go with Run as Administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So the catch is you need to copy and paste it here one by one. So first is to do system scanning, SFC space / scan now. Wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, proceed on day second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Okay? Once you have done with the first set of command, you need to close this window and then you need to check if the Windows update is working this time. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is here at the search box again. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a command prompt system on the best matched. And from here, click on Run as Administrator. Now I want you to copy the second set of command, and the first one is to stop the Windows Update service and the background intelligent transfer service. So please copy and paste it here one by one. And then once you have stopped these two services, you need to minimize this window and then proceed to the File Explorer, open it. And under the File Explorer, you need to locate for the navigation pane. Left navigation pane, proceed to the C drive under this PC, click on it. And under the Windows, you need to double tap to open. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate for software distribution. Double tapped. And from here, please select the whole, Control A to select the whole, or simply drag your cursor to select it. Click on this delete icon. Once you have deleted all of the files here, you need to open your File Explorer again and then start the service again. Start the Windows Update service, paste it here, as well as the background intelligent transfer service. Once you are done with that step, restart your computer and run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.